Software Spring. Presents. How to use Reduce in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the Reduce function to get the final value of intermediate calculations. Let's begin with an intro to the Reduce function. Reduce returns final value of a series of intermediate calculations. Reduce function has lambda as one of its three arguments. Lambda is a custom function with two name arguments and a formula expression. Alright, here's the syntax of the reduce function. Let's look at an example. Initial value is assigned to this argument. Array or range is the data source. Lambda is a custom function. It has two name arguments and a formula expression. Current value is equal to the initial value in the first iteration. Current value is equal to an intermediate value calculated using the formula expression in the second and subsequent iterations. Array value equals a value in the array. This is a formula expression that calculates the sum of squares. Going forward, here is an objective of using the reduce function to get the sum of squares of numbers in an array. Let me type the reduce function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, R, E, D, and select reduce. For initial value, type 0, and type comma. For array or range, select this range, and type comma. Type L, A, and select lambda. Type these name arguments, formula expression, and type 3 closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go, reduce has returned the sum of squares of the numbers. This is the final result of the intermediate calculations. Quick review. Reduce returns the final value of intermediate calculations. Reduce function formula is. Lambda is a custom function with two name arguments and a formula expression. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.